Get excited about the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.